Demystifying ice run in English. Hey there, English learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might have come across, ice run. It might sound chilly, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a warm understanding of what it means. Firstly, let's look at the words individually. Ice, frozen water, a hard solid substance that can be slippery when melted a little. Run. This can mean several things, such as to move quickly by foot or the act of a liquid moving, like water running from a faucet. Together, these words might give you an image of ice moving or perhaps someone running on ice. But what does the phrase really mean? The term, ice run, isn't a common English idiom or phrase that holds a figurative meaning. But, based on the context in which it's used, it can have different interpretations. 1. A task to fetch ice. Imagine you're at a party, and the drinks are getting warm. Someone might say they're going on an ice run, meaning they're going to buy more ice. 2. Describing a waterway filled with moving ice. For those living in colder regions, during certain times of the year, rivers or lakes might have ice moving through them. This phenomenon can be described as an ice run. Now, let's see how you can use ice run in your conversations. 1. Hey, I'm making an ice run. Do you need anything from the store? 2. The ice run in the river during spring is a beautiful sight. Remember, context is vital. It's always essential to consider the situation in which the phrase is used to grasp its true meaning. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, ice run. It might not be as common as other English idioms or phrases, but now, you're equipped with the knowledge to use it or understand it when you come across it. Happy learning, and remember, English, like any language, is a journey. Enjoy every step.